How to use RefWorks with Word. If you are a student looking to streamline your writing process, you might be wondering how to use RefWorks with Microsoft Word. This tool can make your academic life much easier. Let's break down the steps to get you started. First, you will need to install the RefWorks Citation Manager add-in. Open Microsoft Word and navigate to the Insert tab. From there, select Get Add-ins or Store, depending on your version. In the Add-ins window, search for RefWorks Citation Manager. Click Add or Install to integrate this tool into your Word application. Next, you need to set up your RefWorks account for use with Word. RefWorks requires an alternate password for this integration. Log into your RefWorks account online and go to Settings. Find the alternate password section and create a new password. Use this password along with your email to log into the RefWorks Citation Manager in Word. Remember to choose Login with your RefWorks credentials, not the institutional single sign-on option. Once you have installed the add-in and logged in, you can start using RefWorks Citation Manager in Word. Open the RefWorks Citation Manager pane from the Word ribbon. Your references will load in the sidebar. To insert a citation, position your cursor where you want it in your document, select the reference from the sidebar, and click Insert Citation. You can add citations as in text, footnotes, or endnotes based on your preferred style. As you add citations, the tool allows you to generate or update your bibliography automatically at the end of your document. This bibliography updates dynamically as you add or remove citations, saving you time and effort. There are additional features worth noting. The RefWorks Citation Manager supports collaboration on Word Online. This means you can share RefWorks projects with classmates, allowing multiple users to insert and edit citations. The add-in also updates automatically with new versions, ensuring you have the latest features. Keep in mind that any changes to reference details must be done in your RefWorks account online, not directly in Word. Also, the older Write-N-Cite tool will no longer be supported after December 24, 2024. So, it is best to switch to the RefWorks Citation Manager if you haven't already. The RefWorks Citation Manager is compatible with Word 2016, Office 365, and later versions. If you are using a public or shared computer, you may not be able to install the add-in. It is best used on personal devices for full functionality. Using RefWorks Citation Manager with Word can significantly improve your productivity as a student. It helps you save time and reduces errors in citation formatting. This integration keeps your sources organized and ensures your bibliography is always current, allowing you to focus more on your writing.